Hey guys, welcome back to Journey with me. My name is Crystal, and today we installed our sunshades for our roof because we're in Texas. It's pretty hot out here, and even though my roof is tinted, it still gets pretty hot and the sun is beaming down on my head, my kid's head, and it can be pretty miserable. So we were able to get some sunshades from a fellow Tesla owner here in Houston. We purchased them pre-owned from him, and my husband put them in today. So they all came with clips as well, so that they could snap into the roof pretty neatly, and they look pretty good. So I'm gonna give you a shot of what they look like and show you some scenes of us installing them, and maybe we could check in and see, you know, just how they perform when it comes to getting rid of some of that sun that's been beaming down on us. So stay tuned to take a look at those. Thanks. Here's one of the clips right here. This side right here slides into your headliner as you snap the actual shade into this piece right here. We didn't use all of them, so we have a couple of extra ones which we're gonna keep just for if in the event one breaks. But this is what the clip looks like. Just a simple piece of plastic, thin, very thin, and will slide directly into your headliner. So do the clips hold it in place? The screen don't just hold itself in place?
We're about to find out. I'm assuming that's the case.
You're not gonna do the front? You have your clips ready?
No.
Okay.
There you go. Put it on. Put that in. Yes. It doesn't seem like it does any damage. It just clips on and then it slides right in. Pretty nice. And you get it so that obviously is very top of the clip.
So you only need 2 for the back?
No, I'm gonna do 2 on the sides too, so that it doesn't lag.
Okay.
But you can't do any right here. There's gonna be a little here. So if you have somebody who's shorter, it's gonna take away some of their headroom when you use it.
it is a clip that you just put the shade into and you slide it into your actual fabric headliner right here. Pretty easy, and it helps keep them all in place. For the front shade, we only used 4 clips, 2 in the front and 2 in the back. And then you can kind of see the ones that are in the back. We also used only 4 back there, but you can see how it does leave room for you to see out the back of the car. I'm interested to see how these perform, because we definitely need some shade. So I will definitely keep you all tuned in to how they perform and if it keeps some of the heat out. But they look really neat, and they look good in the car. I'm not complaining for $40 that I spent for them. No complaints for me at all. Do y'all have these, and what do you think about them? Comment below and let me know.